everybody, I'm here in Montauk, very nice beach. This is my favorite place. Today, I want to share a very easy, simple, fast, and delicious. Of course, it should be delicious recipe. This is one of the most popular recipes on my website. But I just refined a little simple thing. Especially when I travel, it has to be very easy. I used to make this for my children's lunchbox, made with canned tuna. You don't need any special Korean cooking ingredients. Let's get started. I'm using can of Korean tuna. This is around 5 ounce. You guys can use any kinds of canned tuna. So let's make this with one can. So a little later, and first let's do garlic and onion. This guy only need. Everybody has onion and garlic at home, right? So I need a 1/4 cup onion for 1 can of tuna, just a 1/4 cup, chop it up. Quarter cup and 1 large garlic clove. I use a wet cloth. And just slightly, you don't have to squeeze out too tightly, just slightly, like this. Okay, and then now we are going to just season this and pan fry. That's tuna pancake. Time for Chamchijeon. So 1 egg. And this is flour, all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon. And salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Ground black pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon. Next, toasted sesame oil. Without this, not tasty for me. So toasted sesame oil, don't forget. And 1 teaspoon. And mix. Mix salt very evenly, like this. Let's pan fry. I'm using olive oil, but you guys can use any kind of cooking oil. I'm using medium heat, not too high. Wow, smells good. Okay, this guy, let's flip it over. Wow, nice golden brown. Gorgeous. It looks very juicy. I just cook 1 or 2 minutes. Beautiful. I used to make this lunchbox side dish. My daughter says, recently I asked her, what's the lunchbox side dish? What do you remember best? She said, Mom, I love that tuna pancake, Chamchijeon. She said that lunchbox is kind of a rice by itself, is a little dry. But this tuna pancake has kind of juicy. So it's already cooked. So after flipping over and around 1 and 2 minutes again. So both sides golden brown. That's it. See? Here you go. Tuna pancake. It smells like a Korean festival day. Korean festival days, we always make a kind of pancake, all kinds of pancake. And already here is a smell, in Monto, Korean festival smell. So with 1 can of tuna, we made this. Let's have lunch. Tuna pancake, Chamchijeon here. And side dish, I made this side dish. And 북어포 부침, shredded dried pola with just a little bit of water and pound 100 times. You can check out the recipe. Kind of chewy and also it really like juicy. And this is kimchi. I made this in Monto, bokchoy kimchi. And this is 마늘종 장아찌, 마늘종 garlic stems. One big thing is missing, rice. Cheers, everybody. Can you make it this? You can make it. Oh, this is non-alcoholic beer, but tastes really like an alcoholic beer. Rice first. Perfect side dish for rice. It's salty and juicy and meaty. Today, I showed you how to make Korean tuna pancake in Korean Chamchijeon. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.